Hi, I'm Tim Chef. I work with my partner Roger Swedinsky, and we represent the professional side of Eniva. What I'm here today to do is share with you our 7-day detox kit that we have. This is our number one seller in all of Eniva, and the reason it is because it works. Now, the products you're going to receive in your detox kit is going to be a Vibe product. You're also going to get our Muscle Aid product, your chlorophyll, and you'll get Rice Bran, or we call it Life Cleanse. You're also going to get a handy booklet. Now, this particular booklet is going to tell you everything you need to know about the cleanse. It'll tell you how much to take, when to take it, and how to use this kit to get the best results possible. Now, I'm going to tell you how to take the cleanse. I'm also going to share with you today, since you're practitioners, how to sell the cleanse. Now, when people come in and they start looking at our detox kit, I want to tell them that it's no dieting, that you really don't have to diet during this cleanse. There's no fasting. You get to eat. That's very important to people. A lot of people consider detoxing a fast, and it really isn't for us. We can get very good results doing it the way we do it, all explained in our handy booklet. So, and it's not just about pooping. This is a whole body cleanse. You're going to find that you'll have a serious increase on day 3. Your energy is going to start to skyrocket. You're going to find that not only energy is going up, but you're going to be much clearer mentally. You're going to find that you're able to think clearer. You're going to be mentally sharper, better focus. You're going to jump out of bed in the morning. You're going to feel like tackling your day. This is what I share with folks. Some of the things that they need to understand is that during this cleanse, I like them to eat smaller meals, less carbohydrates, and avoid alcohol for the 7 days. Once they're doing the cleanse, they're going to find that day 3 is going to be a pivotal time. If they're not hitting their water goal, they'll have that sluggish feeling. They're not going to feel like getting out of bed. And they may call and say, hey, I'm just not doing well on this. What's my problem? Check their water intake. It's all explained in the booklet, but if they're not hitting it, they're going to feel sluggish and not as good as what they could if they were doing it correctly. Generally, we're going to find everybody's going to lose about 1 inch off the waist. Women, you'll lose about 2 to 3 pounds generally. Men, 2 to 4 pounds. A great way to start any kind of a change in routine, a weight loss program, or generally just you want to feel better. This is a great way to do it. You're going to find that our Vibe product is going to protect the body in the area of free radical damage during phase 1 detox. It's also going to supply the person with the energy they need to carry out their day normally without having any kind of letdown or any kind of slowdown in their activities. You're also going to find that our Muscle Aid is going to help pull out all the heavy metals, and it's going to throw it over onto the liver where we bring in our Chlorophyll Plus product. Now, our Chlorophyll Plus product is all about body purification. Actually detoxes and purifies the liver all at the same time. It's like giving your liver a hug. You're going to find on day 2 or 3, the body odor is going to go away. Any kind of body odor anywhere, it's gone. Bad breath's going to go away, and your stools are going to start to turn green. Common occurrence. You'll poop like Kermit the Frog. And remember, no emergency explosion. Our Rice Bran is very gentle, and it'll pull all that matter out, and you won't have to worry about, am I going to make it to the bathroom? That's not the case with this. You're going to experience a less bloating during this time. It's more like a chimney sweep. I would want to describe our Life Cleanse product. In a 7-day cycle of using this Vibe product, you're going to have over 140 servings of fresh fruits and vegetables within a 7-day cycle. I myself consider that the holy grail of nutrition. In addition, you're going to have 2.5 weeks or so of Vibe left over that you can continue to take at 1 ounce a day. You want to make sure that you're limiting dairy, rice, and pasta, no alcohol, like I said, and make sure you're hydrating with water, and you'll have a successful cleanse. I encourage doing with your office, inter-office challenge to get people familiar with the product, and I also like you to use this in the area of Facebook challenge. There's a number of different ways that you can work with folks to be able to get this really rocking at your facility. Any questions with the cleanses? Any kind of hints or suggestion? Give Roger or myself a call. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.